Load your family into the 2018 Subaru Outback. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, automatic temperature control, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.